I'm standing inside my garden right now. I'm in northern Idaho, and it's majestic. It's beautiful. It actually provides food for my family, and it's a lot of food, to be honest with you. But this all started with just a thought. This all started with a barren plot of land, right? And all this fruit that's bearing here right now, these are all seeds. I know there's probably that one thing that you want in life, that one thing you want to accomplish, achieve, go after, create, all of these things, but you're unsure because it's just a seed right now. And it's in your barren field right now, which is your mind. You can create anything inside here. You can create any reality that you want to experience because you can only control your thoughts and your actions. You know, along my journey of life, and as I'm still growing, I learn new things every day. I come to the conclusion that I don't know much, and there's so much out there. But I do know this. You can't ever grow anything unless you plant that seed first. Your thoughts, those beliefs, those that want to change, that want to go after that goal, that want to go ask that person on a date, that want for more, right? Because you can't control the outside world. You can only control your thoughts and your actions. But those thoughts that want more in life, they're only going to get there through the action. And right now, maybe that action you need to take is just planting your seed. What do you need to do for it to grow? What does your foundation need to look like? What does your soil need to look like? What's the optimal condition for your idea, your belief, your creation? What is the optimal condition for that thing to grow and flourish? These are some of the things you should start thinking about implementing into your life. Because if you don't, you'll just have a barren field forever. Saying how it never grows anything, you're never changing anything, this is just how it has to be. That's not the case. It doesn't have to be that way. But we have to start thinking differently. I don't care if you want to join special operations. I don't care if you want to go hunting for the first time. I don't care if you want to go after that one big pay raise you've been looking for. It doesn't matter what the scenario is. It does not matter at all. What matters is what do we do once we have that seed? Once we have that nugget, that idea, that thought, that calling inside to change your life, to be more, to become more, to go all in. What do we have to do to actually create that change? So my challenge to you is, with the seed that you have currently right now, what is the next step that you need to do that you're not doing? And listen, if you're so focused on like the outcome of it, don't worry about that. Visualize the process. If you know that you want this big outcome, good. Hold on to it, lock it in, set it as a goal. But don't focus on that. Focus on what do you need to do today to move forward. Keep in mind that end state. Keep in mind that desired outcome. But what do you need to do today? Because if you only focus on the end state, you'll never, ever meet it. You'll never, ever start making the steps required to get to where you want to. So don't overcomplicate the process. Whatever you're looking to do, enlist in the military, get a new job, ask someone to marry you, it doesn't matter. That's one thing that I do know. It doesn't matter what it is. What matters is what we do. So what do you need to do now? What's the next steps that you need to do? You can let me know in the comments below, but what are the steps that you need to do to move forward, to plant that seed, to create that one thing that you want, the actual change? And if you don't want to share your comments, if you don't want to share your perspective on your own life and your situation, that's fine. That's okay. But don't withhold from yourself. Don't withhold from changing. Because whatever you want to, you can go get it, but you have to believe that you can do it. You have to see what you want to. You might not have it nailed down to a T, but you got to be like, damn, I want to do more. Now, once you have that desire to want to do more, now what do you need to do today? What do you need to do right now to make that more a reality? Daily steps. Don't get sucked into the big picture. You don't need to worry about all that. You need to worry about what do you need to do today to move forward? What do you need to do today to make that forward momentum, which is going to absolutely change your life and become an amazing garden?